Hello guys, welcome to Technical Rios YouTube video, and in this video I am going to show you how to make your photos as a videos. So before we have to start, if you new in this channel, then do not forget to subscribe. To make your photo as a video, you have to need one application that is called Video Source. Okay, open it, and then it is and now you have to go video edit. Okay, select your photos. Here are some photos. Want to select how many you like. This one, yes, this also, this no, this, remove this, remove also. Now click at start. Now choose, first we are going to choose music. Which music you gonna put here? Select one music. What do you like? We are going to select this music. Okay, from here click at it. Now choose theme, which here are only some theme that we add, all we need to download. So this one, okay, this good. Now go to edit, and what you want to add here, voice record or everything. Here are sticker also. Yeah, we are going to add sticker. What type of sticker? With this sticker. Okay, yes, put it here. Now click at this is the simply way that how can you make your photos as a videos. So if you want to do much more, then you do later this much. Now I am going to save it. Click here, this icon. Now save to gallery, fast mode, SD mode. We are going to save it as a SD mode. Okay, after complete you got your video. So I stop this recorder. If you new in this channel, then do not forget to subscribe, share with your friend, and like this video. Then do not forget to like Technical Rios for improve your technology knowledge. If you want to learn article, then you can visit our blog also, Technical Rios. Okay, now I am going to stop it. Okay.